Welcome to Nomad Citizen in San Martin. We wanted to make a virgin pina colada for Anthony, but Marvin forgot stuff, so I'm using the recipient that we had to mix it.
The best one for sure.
We are organizing a winner's draw on the 28th of May. You should know that this can become your reality. You just need to play a little game with us.
Thank you. Cheers, everybody.
Can you put 10 minutes timer? Tonight we decided to show Anthony, our dear friend Anthony. Stick with us until the end of this episode and discover how you can win holidays in the Bahamas. The side of this lifestyle that we really love. This is why we do this. And like just being on a deserted island, making some food for us, being with only a few boats at anchor. This is what we love. But this is not at all our entire life. This is a huge fish. What?
Yes, it's a yellow.
It isn't
snapper.
here.
It's like the red snapper, but yellow.
Oh wow, but it's on ice and everything. How much did you pay for this? It's a big one. Do you think you can put 10 more minutes, please? Okay.
Why am I always my own enemy?
I don't really know if it's cooked because the fish is just so huge. Yes, I'd need a knife. Think you can give me a knife, please? It looks cooked.
How you know it's cooked?
Just the skin and the bones, everything like comes off and falls apart like gently. Okay, always have an opinel on
Every
board.
time it's different than before. I get torn from it. Ooh, I got knocked down again.
I'm trying to take off the skin and the little bones that are easy to take off so we can all eat with our fingers.
What did you put
Like
inside?
with onion, garlic, thyme, paprika.
But pain is just a season. All the worst things always meant. My heart doesn't break even. No, I'm trying to learn to be okay with it. Cause if I can't love me in pieces, then it won't work when I'm fixed. I know I'm growing. Maybe I'm just doing it slowly. I wanna turn all of my misery into something better. Nobody next to me. Alone is where I find the best in me. I wanna learn from all the history, hold it all together. Ooh, I got knocked down again. Ooh, but I get back up from it.
Okay, apparently our mooring just broke. And we're
Kenya, can you interrupt please?
Attends, mais le problème c'est qu'il y a les bouts. Bouts et lisses.
aucune vers là-bas. The mooring just broke. We already had the engines on because we want to go to another place which is safer. Yeah, we were saying that we feel so incredibly lucky that the mooring actually broke when we turned on the engines. It was just like a second after on a big wave. You really think that the mooring broke?
Yes, yes, yes. If we move with the
You had the anchor alarm that
yes. Look. This is
maybe just got longer. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, we survived this.
Yes, now I need to set the sail.
Turn it down. Wanna get inside the nest. Wanna hold me tight. But I know that I don't need anyone. You make me feel like the only one who grows and grows.
Like, wow. Thank you, life. All of our patrons who were with us for more than 3 months will automatically participate in this winner's draw to win a holiday on a catamaran in the Bahamas. But how can you join us over there? Because you are invited too. Well, baby, it's not the best meal I've ever cooked for you, but it was an emergency, right? We need to do something fast.
And it was okay for me and okay.
Kids' lunch is good.
Best one.
Oh, and what did you see?
Our sharks yesterday night. Amazing.
I don't feel very confident for now because we have big waves. The wind is strictly beyond us and we have 4 rocks to pass. And next time I will
This could have been a total disaster this morning. I just
Marine rock,
imagine, I
yes.
just imagine the boat without the engines, or like without sleeping, or maybe on the beach. I don't know. So
Hey, yesterday I checked.
oh, and this I wanted to say. You checked the morning, and I wanted to say that you feel the danger. It's the second time, or even third, fourth, where we have something very dangerous and very scary happen to us, like when we had 17 knots in Bakeway. So same thing happened today. Marvin couldn't sleep. He was awake. He said, okay, we have to move because I don't trust this boy. And it broke as soon as we turned on the engine. Ruby, you have this sixth sense.
maybe.
We're trying to avoid those rocks over there. Well, they seem very far, but those rocks over there and 2 behind us. And it's a little bit shaky.
Since I was born, they told me be careful. Look beyond the walls of a big town. Now I got to get the beacon.
Okay, Andre is helping us with the sail, and we have a lot of wind. Well, a lot. We have around 25 knots. It's a mess. We arrived to the other side of San Martin, and today we will go into the lagoon
Tu peux tout enlever du wind.
to take shelter.
Why keep on
Have a
trying?
lot of wind, and we have to stick around here until 3 p.m. because this is when the bridge will open, so we can go into the lagoon. Okay, let's find a spot to anchor. We'll start with 20 meters. Since we have 5 meters of depth. Normally with this weight anchor, we can only put 3 times the depth.
To open up your eyes.
If you haven't joined us on Patreon yet, we created a special membership level for you, which will allow you to participate in this winner's draw and come to spend your holidays with us in the Bahamas. That's done!
Captain, stand by next to navigator. Captain, stand by next to navigator.
What's happening, Ruby?
We are going into the lagoon.
Look, they're waiting. There's so much boats. Look,
We're
there's
following
so
them.
much boats. We are following them.
Give me some power, gentlemen. Got a heavy outbound current coming at you.
So, are you holding him? Eva? Everything good? Way! Yesterday, we did this from the beach. We thought we could take it somewhere. Many of you receive their little gift. That by joining a loyalty program every 3 months, you receive a special gift from us, which can be a little sticker, a wonderful mug to drink your coffee, or a t-shirt. Which says, you don't always need a plan, you just need... If I say, will YouTube cut my ad revenue? Maybe I shouldn't say that. Because there's no recycling, so I don't know what to say. It is very sad. We're trying to recycle on this island. We're trying to recycle since Martinique and we're not able. Anyway, we took the trash from the beach yesterday because it's a natural park and it's a wonderful place with like incredible marine life. As Anthony said, we saw a shark, like a huge shark at midnight around our boat, and 2 rays and like ton of fish. I don't know, 50, 100 fish swimming around, so it's beautiful. But yeah, we tried to leave their natural habitat